understand it somewhat like RBC, WBC, but they're not cells. They are cell fragments. Now, what is exactly cell fragment? You have a very large cell and you shatter it and you break it down into multiple pieces. So those pieces that you get from that single cell, that is what you call as cell fragment. So WBC is not a cell. WBC is cell fragment. So one big chunk of cell broken down into multiple pieces, that is what your WBC is, basically speaking. And yes, these platelets or thrombocytes are going to take up the important function of blood clotting in your body. So the fact that once you bleed, your bleeding will stop. Now, sometime or the other, the bleeding will stop. So this process where the bleeding stops, that is what we call as blood clotting. And your thrombocytes or platelets help in the process of blood clotting. They are not cells, they are cell fragments. They clear hai bachcho ko? Clear hai na? Chalo. Nice. Let's move ahead with the next quiz. Which of these is responsible for blood clotting? Carefully answer, no misclicks. Easy question, easy answer. So 3, 2, and 1. This is the 14th question. We have still a lot of questions. If you answer, I'll ask you a lot many questions after this. Yeah? So 30 seconds is what you get. So 5 and 4 and 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, and we are done. Okay, so nice. The answer most of you have given 90% have told me that ma'am, it is platelets which are responsible for blood clotting, and you guys are absolutely correct. So you guys are performing amazing. So thrombocytes are what basically, what are thrombocytes? I just told you. What are they? They are cell fragments, they are large size cells, they are hemoglobin containing cells, or they are white in color. According to you, what are thrombocytes? Count of 3, count of 2, and count of 1. Sure. Oh my god, this is the 15th question of the day. I love it when you guys, be with me and answer so many questions in the class. I love it completely. Chalo. Nice. So 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and we are done on 1. So Kritagna, Apinya, Jyoteshwaran, Shri, Utkarsh, Sahasra, Rehan, Tarun, Varat, Agrima, Jashwant. So all of you are really fast, I can see. And yes, thrombocytes are nothing but cell fragments. Okay, cell fragments. Okay. Now, how many of you can identify this person on the screen? Can you identify this person on the screen? Can you identify this person on the screen? Yes? Yes? You don't know who he is? Yes, his name is William Harvey. And why are we studying about him all of a sudden? Why are we studying about him? We are studying about him because he was the genius behind the discovery of circulation of blood. Yes, he was the genius why we came to know that there's something called blood, there's something which is a system that is involved in the circulation of blood and all of that. Okay? So he is the person behind the discovery of circulation of blood. Am I clear? AD means after death. AD and BC we say na. So after death. AD is after death. Alright? So remember the name. Okay, you can forget everything, but don't forget this great man. He is William Harvey. Who he is? William Harvey. Okay? Chal. Let me see who can answer this question to me right now. So William Harvey discovered which of the following? Blood grouping, blood circulation, RH blood grouping, mechanism of breathing. So you have to take a pick and give me the correct answer at the count of 3, at the count of 2, at the count of 1. And this is going to be epic because this is the 16th question of the session. And so far, 92% has given me the correct answer to this question, which is again epic. Yeah. So 5 and we have 4. We have 3. We have 2.
ना पता लगना अरे वो हम लगा ले
Okay.
मैं लगा दूँ बाद में
Harvey had
चलो हम पते आ दर्द है
population. ABO blood grouping. Sometimes I told you, na? I think I told you the answer. ABO blood grouping. Can anyone tell me which scientist got? Thank you, Varad. Which scientist was credited for the discovery of ABO blood grouping? Can anyone tell me? Yes, sir, you too. William Harvey. Akshay, you're absolutely correct. No? Okay, that's your homework, okay? So if you can't answer me now, no. ABO blood grouping. ABO blood grouping, there were some other scientists, okay? So you have to find that out. I often tell you in my you have to go and search it on Google. Mr. Google is there to help you. And you have to tell me the answer to this. Okay? Sure. Let it be up to here. In the next session, we are going to start with blood vessels. Okay? So very good. I think I got the answer. A big gas, give it Sure. Very good. And what I need to tell you is please come and revise and come. Next session, whenever we have it, I don't know exactly when, revise and come. People, revise and come. I have a lot many incentives for you people. Lot many incentives. Your salary, Divyans. No. This is your incentive. Salary you will earn when you grow up. You become a doctor. You treat me. I will be one of your patients, and you will earn your salary then. Okay. And I think I have got one more for you. Yes, people. Chalo. Sanmukha, that is for all bacha. Because we want to now really know who is here for study points. So people who are here like the class, the coins don't